Okay, this is Ryan again, BRD, and I'm going to make another tutorial for you today. And what we're going to do is go through how to add calendar events for upcoming events for your church. So, again, you're going to log in. I'm going to go through this one more time. You're going to go to your website, TEP. And 3Cs, tpchurchcolumbiacity.com. And then I've added this convenient little login text right here at the very top. And you're going to click that. You're going to put in your credentials real quick. Oops. Going too fast. Okay. Once you're logged in, again, this is your dashboard on the left side. And what you're going to do is go to calendar right here. You can click on all calendar items and see what items you have out there. You can also add new calendar and other things as well. So what we're going to do is go to all calendar items. And right now here is all of your calendar items. Right, I believe right now we have morning worship service. And what this is set to is 9:15 in the morning. It's a every week, same day event, so it automatically shows up. And what I'm going to do is show you what it looks like. So here, it shows up every week on the same day, which is Sunday morning at 9:15 a.m. And there's a little bit about it. Our weekly worship service is what it says. So this right here is your event description. This is where you type in our weekly worship service or a location, a time to meet, whatever you want to add. And then when they click on that event, it'll bring up actual important information that you want to include in your event on the calendar. So let's go through here. What we're going to do is add a new one. And let's just say it is we have a youth calendar as well. I'm not sure where that calendar is. I don't think we actually have that somewhere. So we'll just keep the main calendar. So you're going to always add it to the main calendar. Unless you want a separate calendar, then I could add maybe a second calendar to calendars. That way people can, if it's easy to decipher, I'd be willing to add that. That's not a problem. But for now, let's just stick to the main calendar. That way everybody knows what calendar to use. Everything shows up on one calendar, and everything's easy that way. So let's just do a new event. Let's just call this one new event. I will delete it as soon as I create it. This here, as we discussed in our meeting, is in 24-hour time, but it does not. I don't think it displays in 24. It might. But one thing on how to figure out time is you add 12 to it. So for the PM hours, if it's 1 o'clock, you add 12 hours to it, it becomes 13. That's 1 o'clock. So there's a little tidbit for you on how to work in 24 hours that makes it simple for me. If it's 5 o'clock, you add 12 hours, it's 1,700 hours. So let's add one for, 2 o'clock. Let's do 2:30. Test this out real quick. Single day event. January 2017. Let's do it for the 28th. So this is going to be maybe let's do youth bowling party. Location, Main Bowl, Columbia City, Indiana. You could also put the actual address and things like that, but I'll keep this short. Meet at church. Time 6 o'clock. Event starts. Let's change this to 7 o'clock. Once you're done, you're going to hit publish. Go back to the calendar. So here's our new event right here. You click new event. And so it set it for 7:23. There's event starts at 7 p.m. Meet at church. So the description shows up right here and nice when you click on the actual event. I'm not sure why that 7:23 is there. Let me go back and look. Oh, this is still set for 23. So 12 or 5, was it 7 plus 12 is 19. So this is set for 7 o'clock, 0 minutes, set for 7 p.m. Hit update again. Now it should be back. I'll do a refresh. Oops. Update. Oh, this keeps resetting to December 2016. I'm gonna see if I can't change the settings so it always resets to the current month. So that's why I wasn't seeing it. But here's January 2017. Here's our new event. It is now at 7 p.m. Right there, new event. Here's youth bowling party location. All the information I entered in. It's really nice and convenient. Time 7 p.m. and the date. So that's everything you need. That's how to add a calendar event or a new event to the calendar. Really simple. I think you can even add a photo if you've got, let's just say it's a bowling photo or something. We'll just add this. Oh, no. Let's set the featured image and see what that does. So there you go. You can add an image even for it, which when you click on it, it shows up. How you do that, how to add an image to a calendar event, you just select set featured image. You can drag, just as always, right in here from your desktop, drag the image you want. If it's for youth, I think we use this for our teens here. Set featured image, click update. We'll do a refresh, and right there, that's pretty neat. So those are just little things you can do to make it look even better. So I'm going to go back to the home page real quick. So here's our new event right here. It doesn't show the image here, but that's pretty important because that's just the facts. You click the arrow, there it is. Shows right up for you with your photo, all the information you need for that event. I'm now going to go back, click on all calendar items, and I'm going to delete this because we no longer need it. And I'm going to work on the calendar settings, try to find how to, let me just see it. Nope, I can't do it here. I'll try to see and edit the settings for that so that it starts on the current month. So I think that's it on how to add a new event to your calendar. That's it.